What's up, guys? Today I'm super excited because I got the rest of my parts in the mail for my Bitcoin mining machine. So here I'm going to build it for you guys and you can watch me how I do it. All right, so here are the main components of the machine that I have right here on the table. So I've got this is my GPU, the graphics card I'm going to use. I'm actually going to get 12 more of these. Well, just 12 more graphics cards, but I decided to start with this one. This is the EVGA GeForce GTX 1080 Ti. As you can see, this is one of the highest powered NVIDIA cards. See, it's the NVIDIA right there. And then right here, I've got my ASRock H110 Pro BTC Plus motherboard. This just came out about a month and a half ago, I think. If you guys didn't see my other video, I actually still have like 5 or 6 more of these boards that I'm willing to sell off. I'm going to try and make a couple of these computers myself, but if any of you guys want some, just let me know in the comments below and I'll get you one. Anyway, these things have 13, well, they have 13 slots for the graphics cards. So it's actually one of the best motherboards in the world specifically for Bitcoin mining or I guess more specifically Zcash and Ethereum. And then right here I've got my EVGA power supply. It's the PSU. I got the 1000 G2. This thing pumps out 1000 watts of power. Right here I've got this is my M.2 PCIe 128 gigabyte SSD, the solid state drive. That's what I'm going to use on my motherboard. And this thing is really tiny and really lightweight. You wouldn't think that there's anything in it but just a bunch of cardboard or, I don't know, paper or something. That's what it feels like, but it's pretty small. Anyway, and then right here I've got my Intel Celeron processor. That's the CPU that I'm going to put on the motherboard. I'll show you guys how I do that in a minute. Here I've got my RAM. I just have 4 gigs of RAM. Got to be careful with it. This is, let's see, that's, if I can hold it still. That's an HP 4 gig RAM. And I'll put down the description of the video too, specifically what kinds of RAM and all these parts that you need, all these components. Then right here I've got my risers. Well, it's just one riser for the GPU that I have. And so this is what's going to allow me to connect this into the GPU into the motherboard from a little bit of a distance instead of installing it directly on it. Anyway, so there's our parts. Those are the main components. And I'll get back with you guys in a second once I start building it, unboxing this stuff. And just so I can split this up a little bit and make it easier to navigate, I'm actually going to have several parts of this video that you can watch. This first one is specifically the parts that you'll need, and in the next one, I'll actually do the assembly. So I'll see you guys in the next one.